Imagine a tense courtroom, the air thick with anticipation. A white judge, known for his stern and uncompromising rulings, is about to deliver a fine to a black woman standing before him. To everyone in the room, it looks like just another routine case. But what if I told you that this woman is actually the city's police chief? The revelation is about to send shockwaves through the entire courtroom. Stay tuned as we dive into this incredible story of justice, power dynamics, and an unexpected twist that leaves everyone, including the judge, absolutely speechless. In the bustling city of Chicago, Judge Thomas Harlan presides over his courtroom with an iron fist. Known for his strict adherence to the law, Judge Harlan has built a reputation as a no-nonsense judge who delivers swift and uncompromising justice. His courtroom is a place where the rule of law is absolute, and his word is final. On this particular day, the courtroom is packed with people waiting for their cases to be heard. Among them is Olivia Turner, a black woman in her early 40s, standing confidently in the defendant's box, dressed in a professional yet unassuming outfit. Olivia's presence commands respect, even if those around her don't yet know her true identity. The case seems straightforward enough. Olivia is facing a fine for a minor traffic violation, an incident that, under normal circumstances, would not attract much attention. The prosecutor, eager to maintain his track record, presents the case with enthusiasm. He describes Olivia as reckless, emphasizing the potential dangers her actions pose to public safety. The prosecutor paints a picture of negligence, aiming to secure a quick and decisive judgment. Judge Harlan listens intently, his expression stern and unyielding. When the prosecutor finishes, he turns his gaze to Olivia. "Miss Turner, do you have anything to say in your defense?" he asks, his voice carrying the authority of his position. Olivia steps forward, her voice steady and clear. She acknowledges the violation but offers an explanation that the prosecutor had omitted. She explains that she was responding to an urgent call, a situation that demanded her immediate attention. The judge listens, his face remaining impassive as he considers her words. After weighing both sides, Judge Harlan imposes a fine, a standard penalty for such infractions. The courtroom, anticipating a quick resolution, prepares to move on to the next case, but Olivia isn't finished. She requests to address the court once more, a bold move that captures everyone's attention. Judge Harlan, curious about her confidence, grants her request. What follows is a revelation that sends shockwaves through the courtroom. Olivia begins by sharing her background, revealing her true identity. She is not just another defendant, she is the chief of police for the city of Chicago. Her dedication to public safety and her extensive career in law enforcement are well known in the community. The room buzzes with whispers. Judge Harlan's eyes widen slightly, the weight of her words beginning to sink in. Olivia continues, detailing her responsibilities and her commitment to serving and protecting the community. She explains that her actions on the day of the violation were driven by a sense of duty and urgency, as she was responding to a critical incident. The revelation causes a palpable shift in the courtroom. The prosecutor, who had been confident moments before, now looks visibly uncomfortable. Judge Harlan, reflecting on her words, takes a moment before addressing the court. He acknowledges Olivia's significant contributions to public safety and her dedication to her role as chief of police. He speaks about the importance of understanding the context of each case and the human stories behind the legal proceedings. As the session concludes, there is a newfound respect for Olivia. Her revelation has not only highlighted her character but also prompted a moment of introspection for everyone present. Judge Harlan, in particular, feels the impact deeply. He realizes the importance of balancing the strict application of the law with empathy and understanding. The news of the courtroom drama spreads rapidly, capturing public attention. Media outlets cover the story extensively, and Olivia's journey becomes a focal point of discussion. She is hailed as a symbol of resilience and dedication to public service. Interviews with Olivia are in high demand, and she uses this platform to advocate for empathy and understanding within the legal system. Judge Harlan finds himself reflecting on the day's events repeatedly. The encounter with Olivia serves as a powerful reminder of the complexities of justice and the need to listen more deeply. He begins to reconsider his approach, striving to bring more empathy and understanding into his rulings. Olivia, undeterred by the incident, continues her work with renewed vigor. She takes on more high-profile cases and initiatives to improve public safety and community relations. Her story inspires many, becoming a beacon of hope for those fighting for justice and equality. The relationship between Olivia and Judge Harlan evolves from one of initial tension to mutual respect. They cross paths in various legal and community circles, acknowledging each other's commitment to justice and public service. Their story serves as a powerful reminder that even within the structured confines of the legal system, there is room for growth, empathy, and understanding. The courtroom incident, which began as a seemingly routine case, evolves into a powerful narrative that resonates deeply within the legal and law enforcement communities. It becomes a case study discussed in law schools, analyzed in legal journals, and used as an example of the importance of empathy and context in the practice of law. Olivia and Judge Harlan are often invited to speak at events, sharing their experiences and insights with broader audiences. As the courtroom drama involving Olivia Turner and Judge Thomas Harlan spread through the city, it quickly became a topic of widespread discussion. People were captivated by the unexpected twist and the powerful revelation that the woman fined for a minor traffic violation was, in fact, the city's police chief. The news reached every corner of the city, stirring conversations about justice, authority, and the need for empathy within the legal system. Olivia Turner received an overwhelming wave of support from the public. Citizens admired her bravery and the dignified way she had handled the situation in court. She used this newfound attention to address critical issues in the community, emphasizing the importance of understanding and compassion in law enforcement and legal proceedings. Her speeches resonated with many, inspiring a collective call for change and improvement within the system. Judge Harlan, on the other hand, found himself reflecting deeply on the events of that day. The encounter with Olivia had been a profound learning experience for him. He realized that justice was not only about strict adherence to the law but also about understanding the context and the individuals involved in each case. This insight prompted him to re-evaluate his approach to his role as a judge. Judge Harlan began to actively engage with the community, attending town hall meetings and listening to the concerns of the people. He also sought further education on issues such as implicit bias and the challenges faced by marginalized communities. His goal was to ensure that his courtroom became a place where justice was not only served but also understood and respected. Olivia and Judge Harlan's paths continued to intersect as they both became deeply involved in efforts to reform the legal system. They collaborated on several initiatives aimed at bridging the gap between the police force, the legal system, and the community. One notable project was the creation of a community outreach program that focused on building trust and understanding between law enforcement officers and the neighborhoods they served. This program included workshops, open forums, and educational sessions where officers and community members could interact and share their perspectives. Olivia took a leading role in these efforts, leveraging her position and experience to foster positive change. Judge Harlan supported these initiatives wholeheartedly, providing his expertise and advocating for policy changes that promoted fairness and justice. The impact of their collaborative efforts was significant. The community outreach program helped to break down barriers and foster mutual respect between the police force and the public. Incidents of tension and misunderstandings decreased, and the community began to see tangible improvements in their interactions with law enforcement. Olivia and Judge Harlan's dedication to these initiatives earned them widespread recognition and respect. Olivia's work didn't stop there. She continued to take on challenging cases, defending those who were often overlooked or mistreated by the system. Her reputation as a formidable and compassionate leader grew, and she became a beacon of hope for many aspiring law enforcement officers and legal professionals. She emphasized the importance of integrity, resilience, and empathy in her speeches, inspiring a new generation to pursue justice with these values in mind. Judge Harlan, too, found a renewed sense of purpose in his role. He approached each case with a deeper understanding of the human elements involved, striving to balance the law with compassion. He encouraged his peers to adopt a similar approach, leading by example and fostering a culture of empathy within the judiciary. His efforts helped to shift the broader legal culture towards one that valued both justice and understanding. Their story continued to be a powerful reminder of the potential for positive change within even the most rigid systems. Olivia and Judge Harlan's journey illustrated that by listening, understanding, and working together, meaningful progress could be achieved. Their collaboration became a model for how different branches of the justice system could come together to serve the community better. In legal and law enforcement circles, their case became a prominent topic of discussion. It was analyzed in law schools, featured in legal journals, and used as an example of the importance of context, empathy, and collaboration in the pursuit of justice. Olivia and Judge Harlan were frequently invited to share their experiences at conferences, seminars, and community events, where their insights continued to inspire and educate others. In conclusion, the story of Olivia Turner and Judge Thomas Harlan transcended the confines of a single courtroom case. It was a powerful narrative that highlighted the complexities of justice and the importance of empathy, understanding, and collaboration. Their journey was a testament to the potential for growth and transformation within the legal and law enforcement systems. It served as a beacon of hope and a reminder that true justice encompasses not only the strict application of the law but also the compassionate consideration of the people it serves.